As it's become less taboo to talk about these things over the years, many experienced necromancers are finding that they're not alone in this issue. You might simply be walking through the park and all of a sudden there's a skeletal arm thrust from the earth as its owner tries desperately to disinter themselves. As the peasants run hither and thither, do you find yourself thinking, was that me? Have I reanimated something simply by walking past it? Oh, how embarrassing. Premature reanimation is a serious problem that affects somewhere in the region of 30% of all liches. There is a good reason our predecessors dwelled in tombs and crypts far from other men. Haven't you noticed that slow build-up of necromantic tension when you're far from the bodies of the recently deceased? You must find an outlet for your roiling necromantic energies. If you can find no other corpses, practice by killing yourself and raising yourself from the dead a few times, just to take the edge off.